Unit 1 Vocabulary Quiz. Number 1. A blank is an area with one or more common features that make it different from surrounding areas. Number 2. The location of a place in relation to other places is blank location. Number 3. A blank region is made up of different places that are linked together and function as a unit. Number 4. A region that reflects human feelings and attitudes is known as a blank region. Number 5. The term blank is used to refer to the height of the land above sea level. Number 6. Blank location is the exact global address derived from latitude and longitude. Number 7. Geographers study Earth using a blank perspective because they are concerned with why people, places, or objects are located where they are. Number 8. Blank is used to determine the exact or absolute location of something on the Earth. Number 9. A map blank is a way of representing the round Earth on a flat map. Number 10. The computer program blank processes and organizes details about places on Earth and integrates those details with satellite images and other pieces of information. Reviewing key terms. A. Greenhouse effect. B. Plate tectonics. C. Climate. D. Erosion. E. Weather. F. Weathering. 11. The condition of the atmosphere at a given time and place. Number 12. The process that breaks down rock. Number 13. Weather conditions in a geographic region over a long time. Number 14. Process in which Earth's atmosphere traps heat energy. Number 15. The theory that explains how forces within Earth create landforms. Number 16. Movement of surface material from one location to another. A. Lithosphere. B. Vegetation. C. Hydrosphere. D. Biome. E. Atmosphere. F. Caldera. 17. Plant life. 18. A regional ecosystem. 19. Includes all forms of water on Earth. 20. Traps heat and keeps it from escaping too quickly into space. 21. Includes continents, islands, and ocean basins. 22. The crater of a volcano. Understanding vocabulary. Number 23. In which month do equinoxes take place? A. June and December. B. October and April. C. July and January. Or D. March and September. Number 24. The Earth rotates on its axis one time each blank. Is it A. Day, B. Week, C. Month, D. Year? Number 25. The weather pattern that brings heavy rains to the Americas and is created by warm waters in the Pacific is A. La Niña, B. El Niño. Bonus. Which essential element focuses on the study of earthquakes, volcanoes, and weather patterns? A. Places and regions. B. Physical systems. C. The world in spatial terms. Or D. The uses of geography.